Welcome to MeeLearn-Chinese. Hey, it's Rosalie. In this lesson, you will learn how to negate a habitual action using 不. You will also learn how to negate a there is, there are sentence or a I have sentence. 姐，你吃了吗？
没吃。我不喜欢吃面包。妈，有鸡蛋吗？
没有。
Using 不 to negate a habitual action. For example, 我不吃肉. Literally, I not eat meat. I don't eat meat. Note here that this is a habitual action as a person tries to indicate that he doesn't have the habit of eating meat. If it is temporary that he won't eat meat, there's usually a word to indicate that specific time that he won't eat it. For example, 我不喜欢面包. Literally, I not like bread. I don't like bread. Note here that sentences like I like doing something or I love doing something are usually considered as describing someone's habits of doing something. Therefore, you can only use 不 to negate this type of sentence. More examples. 我不喜欢看书. Literally, I not like look book. I don't like reading books. 我不喜欢吃水果. Literally, I not like eat fruits. I don't like eating fruits. More examples. 我不抽烟. Literally, I not smoke cigarette. I don't smoke cigarettes. 我不喝酒. Literally, I not drink alcohol. I don't drink alcohol. Using may to negate there are, there is, or have, has sentence. If the sentence can be expressed as there is something, there are something, or there is a you in the sentence to show possessions, you can only use may to negate this sentence. This stays true for past, present, and future actions or statements. For example, 早饭有面包. Literally, breakfast have bread. There is bread for breakfast. 早饭没有面包. Literally, breakfast not have bread. There is no bread for breakfast. Common mistakes here. Students tend to say 早饭不有面包. There's no bread for breakfast. 不 is wrong here. You're supposed to say 早饭没有面包. More examples. 昨天早饭有面包吗? Literally, yesterday breakfast have bread. Was there bread for breakfast yesterday? 昨天早饭没有面包. Literally, yesterday breakfast not have bread. There was no bread for breakfast yesterday. 明天早饭有面包吗? Literally, tomorrow breakfast has bread. Will there be bread for breakfast tomorrow? 明天早饭没有面包. Literally, tomorrow breakfast not have bread. There will be no bread for breakfast tomorrow. 我有一个姐姐，你呢? I'm an older sister. How about you? 我没有姐姐. Literally, I not have older sister. I don't have an older sister. 我有一只狗，你呢? I have a dog. How about you? 我没有狗. Literally, I not have dog. I don't have a dog. Common mistakes here. Students tend to say 我不有姐姐 for I don't have an older sister, or 我不有狗 for I don't have a dog. 不 here are wrong. You're supposed to say 没有. 这个老师有10个学生. This teacher has 10 students. 这个老师没有10个学生. This teacher doesn't have 10 students. 去年这个老师有10个学生. Last year, this teacher had 10 students. 去年这个老师没有10个学生. Last year, this teacher didn't have 10 students. 明年这个老师有10个学生. Next year, this teacher will have 10 students. 明年这个老师没有10个学生. Next year, this teacher won't have 10 students. Now, let's review. 不 No or not. 喜欢 To like. 你喜欢吃面包吗? Do you like eating bread? 我不喜欢吃面包. I don't like eating bread. 我不喜欢看书. I don't like reading books. 我不喜欢吃水果. I don't like eating fruits. 我不吃肉 I don't eat meat. 我不抽烟 I don't smoke cigarettes. 我不喝酒 I don't drink alcohol. 鸡蛋 chicken egg. 有鸡蛋吗 Are there chicken eggs? 没有 No, there aren't. 我没有姐姐 I don't have an older sister. 我没有狗 I don't have a dog. 昨天早饭没有面包 There was no bread for breakfast yesterday. 早饭没有面包 There's no bread for breakfast. 明天早饭没有面包 There will be no bread for breakfast tomorrow. 去年这个老师没有10个学生 Last year, this teacher didn't have 10 students. 这个老师没有10个学生 This teacher doesn't have 10 students. 明年这个老师没有10个学生 Next year, this teacher won't have 10 students. Now it's time for a language tip. We have just learned from this lesson that if there's a you in a sentence, you can only use 没 to negate it. For example, 你有姐姐吗 Do you have an older sister? 我没有姐姐 I don't have an older sister. For lots of beginner students, it's quite challenging to remember is that 不有 or 没有 First of all, there's no such thing called 不有 It has to be 没有 Let's look at the flow of the tones. 有没有有没有 To me, it flows much better with this 有没有 I hope this way it will help you remember this grammar point. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you're enjoying it. Bye!